Hello guys, a new video about HEDERA. The market of cryptographic forms of money has been a consistent appreciation for merchants, people, and institutional financial backers for a long while. Displaying gigantic center to long-haul gains, digital currencies have shown a prominently calculable United States dollars cost development. The web is loaded with data and benefits of blockchain innovation. For sure, blockchain industry brings monstrous potential with many benefits to the table, particularly as far as security and speed of information move. Be that as it may, with regards to meeting openness issues, blockchain has its impediments. Before we continue to fair-minded HEDERA hashgraph cost forecast, really take a look at this outline of the coin. Here comes the job of conveyed record innovation that supplants the whole array of blockchain-based arrangements, giving responses to all questions that as of recently stayed unanswered. This distributed innovation, DLT, has been the foundation of beginning for hashgraph innovation, or, all the more prominently known for its local token, HBAR. A progressive idea, HEDERA hashgraph HBAR, engages the Internet of Things, IoT. Conceptualized to resolve issues, as previously mentioned, relating to adaptability, HEDERA hashgraph puts together its essentials with respect to making lives more engaged and quick. HEDERA hashgraph. Indisputability without any compromises. The difficulties of blockchain being information openness and significant expenses have been disposed of in HEDERA hashgraph public organization. This valued computerized cash offered clients the benefit of fixed cash at no inflationary expense and slow execution. The decentralized agreement of HEDERA hashgraph makes clients their lords of approval. Dealing with a totally unique record stage utilizing coordinated non-cyclic diagram, making a non-concurrent Byzantine fault-tolerant (ABT) agreement calculation, the main approved record is HEDERA hashgraph. The fate of the HEDERA hashgraph cryptographic money value appears to hold worthwhile conceivable outcomes. To bring solidness keeping away from unexpected market vacillations, HBAR will be singed in a deliberate stage-wise interaction. The model of HBAR is framed to such an extent that it doesn't uphold brilliant agreements and utilizations. The Byzantine shortcoming open-minded BFT agreement instrument, wherein different hubs like validator hubs, witness notes, gas pedal hubs, and different sorts of hubs are utilized, which altogether assistance in exchanges, approval, and confirmation processes at different stages. HBAR makes an immaculate pioneering system wherein other virtual tokens can likewise be exchanged. An assortment of credit and charge cards are likewise upheld on the HBAR stage, digital money, and versatile application. Thus, it very well may be vouched that HEDERA hashgraph is great for the advancement of decentralized applications internationally with different highlights, like controlled alterability and time-sensitive record expiry. In view of our HEDERA hashgraph figure, a drawn-out cost decline is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $0.003. With a 5-year speculation, HBAR expectations by specialists estimate the income to be near 98.24%, assuming the negative pattern proceeds. The HBAR cost has been showing a rising inclination throughout recent months. As indicated by our HBAR cost estimate, we anticipate that the cost of HEDERA hashgraph may be beneath $0 following a year. As indicated by HBAR cost forecast 2022, the normal most extreme cost of HBAR coin is $0.374, least cost 24 cents. The HEDERA cost forecast for the finish of July 2022 is 29 cents. In view of the authentic cost information, we anticipate the HEDERA hashgraph digital currency could be 28 cents toward the finish of 2022. The most noteworthy help level of coin cost could reach 21 cents, and the least cost could be $0.148. As per our gauge for this crypto project, by 2023, we expect the HEDERA hashgraph cost would be around 45 cents, while it could rapidly wind up at cost obstruction level of 28 cents. Toward the finish of the HBAR cost could help and benefit. As indicated by our momentary HEDERA cost expectation, the token could cross the greatest cost of 31 cents by 2022 and 50 cents by 2025, making it a wise venture counsel among other crypto projects. The HBAR cost expectation 2022 could astound merchants, arriving at a cost of 57 cents and by 2024 going up to $15, making it a beneficial speculation. The specialized investigation shows a progressive yet consistent ascent, and the exchange cost of HBAR might not have won it the highest digital currency grant. Notwithstanding, experienced dealers have figured out how to trust that this resource will perform prior to effective money management, taking into account everything factors, doing cost examination, memorable cost activity showing negative pattern, and foreseeing ponders on pattern trade HEDERA hashgraph. The ongoing cost of HBAR is around $0.2869, with a market capitalization of $5,194,116,199.84, a circling supply of 18,092,792,421 HBAR, the complete stock of 50 billion HBAR, and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $92,929,738.22. The above Fibonacci retracement levels can be considered as the obstruction and backing levels for the coin. The prompt opposition is set at 27 cents. According to the specialized examination, the following protections are at 33 cents and 38 cents, while the huge obstruction is put at 43 cents. The prompt help for HBAR coins is set at 18 cents. Green candles are framed during the ongoing exchanging meeting, so the cost might arrive at prompt obstruction. Assuming the volume upholds the cost rise, the coin's worth might cross the quick obstruction level. The ongoing cost is exchanging under 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and 200 exponential moving average, and that implies there is a downtrend. Notwithstanding, since the by and large crypto market is picking up back at speed and green candles are shaping in the ongoing exchanging meeting, the cost may not fall any further and may pick up its speed back, demonstrating cost activity towards a bullish pattern. The examination for simple moving average is additionally very comparable, since the cost is exchanging under 20 SMA, 50 SMA, and 200 SMA levels, showing a moderate downtrend. HEDERA hashgraph price prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no abrupt shocks or a stony way forward for cryptographic money markets, as per HEDERA hashgraph expectations, HEDERA hashgraph is good to go to avow areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. According to HBAR gauge, the street ahead is brimming with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling 44 cents. Is HEDERA hashgraph a wise speculation? Indeed, according to HEDERA hashgraph cost forecasts, HEDERA hashgraph is a wise venture. It is a main player in the digital currency space, which became so quick, consequently numerous crypto market lovers are hopeful about the future cost of HEDERA coin. Financial backers are encouraged to do their own examination prior to putting resources into tokens. How would I store HBAR? You can see your profile when you initiate the drop-down menu. Click on Store and you will be coordinated to the store page. When on the store page, you will actually want to choose which coin you wish to store. HBAR cost upholds the store of more than 150 digital currencies in the cryptographic money market. How would I check my HBAR balance? On the site, go to the segment Assets and afterward the subsection Balances. Here, we'll see the rundown of cryptographic forms of money. There are a wide range of future tokens, and the rundown is extremely lengthy. In the left piece of the screen, you will see the symbols of each crypto coin and its name. Where and how to exchange HEDERA hashgraph. There's an outline of the trades accessible to you and a purchasing manual for help you